Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Latanya. In today's video, I'm just going to be cleaning up my kitchen a little, washing out the dishes, clean off my stove, wash my floor, and then I'm going to fix me something to eat for dinner. So please continue watching. Okay, the dishes are clean, so now I'm going to clean off the stove. As you can see, my kitchen is small, but if God spare me, I'm planning to do a whole new makeover to my kitchen. Okay, so I'm entering my living room right now, and I already swept and mopped it. And because Valentine's Day is next month, I decided to put this little centerpiece that I made last year. All right, I made a little video on this, and everything that you see right here on the centerpiece, I bought from Dollar Tree. Okay, the little teddy bear, the little go box, and everything. All right, right over here is these little pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon. So if you're interested in purchasing it, I will leave the link in the description box below. Okay, and there's the other one. It comes with 4. All right, so let's start making this dinner. I'm going to be making some brown stew chicken thighs. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to take the chicken out. I'm going to put it inside this Tupperware bowl where I'm going to soak it in some water and vinegar so it can be nice and clean. Okay, so as I'm cleaning off the chicken, I'm removing the skin because I'm going to be frying the chicken, and I'm trying to reduce as much fat as possible. Now once I remove the skin off the chicken, I'm going to rinse off the chicken thoroughly, put some more water and vinegar inside the bowl, and then I'm going to let it set for around about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to start cooking. Now that my chicken is clean, I will be adding my seasonings. Now I'm the type of woman, I do not go by measuring, I go by taste. But I will leave in the description box below the seasonings I added to my chicken. And yes, my hands are clean. Now I know y'all probably saying, this is not how you make brown stew chicken. This is the way I like to make it, okay? My version. Okay, y'all? I'm sorry the way my pot looks, y'all. It's old. I had it for a very long time, and I love cooking in it. Okay, I will be getting me some new pots soon. But I know I'm not the only one who has an old pot down in their cabinet that they love cooking in it, and it looks old, okay? Alright, so please don't judge me. Alright, as you can see, I'm frying a chicken, and I'm going to fry each piece of chicken 10 minutes on each side. Afterwards, you're going to see a nice browning sauce that the chicken's going to start producing, and I'm going to add my vegetables. Alright, now I'm adding my vegetables, and there's that nice browning sauce I was talking about, produced by the chicken. Now I'm going to add a cup of water, cover, and let it simmer for around about 25 minutes. While the chicken is simmering, I'm going to make a pack of this yellow rice. I decided to add a can of black beans to the yellow rice, so now I'm going to cover that and let that simmer for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to roast me some Brussels sprouts. Now I'm going to cut off the ends of these bad boys, clean them, season them, put them in the oven until they're nice and brown, and then I'm going to serve it with my meal, and I'll show you the finished result. And voila, there you go. And here I'm adding some gravy to the chicken. Alright, it smells so good, y'all. Alright, it smells so good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sit down. I'm going to eat my dinner. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that like button, and keeping your post notifications on so you won't miss another video that I upload. Take care. Bye.